Join us today as we go to the San Gabriel Nursery 100-year celebration. How pretty. Look at that. So I love the balloons. You like the balloons, Mom?
Very cute.
I know, it's very good.
Be careful.
Oh,
Would you like a flower?
Flyer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like one too?
yes. Oh, no. I'll just with her. Thank you so much.
Take care. Watch your step.
Thank you.
Watch your step.
That's so pretty. Look at the succulents. Look at the succulents they have.
When they moved, when they went
Look at all the succulents they have.
and then he
Very cool.
back, so he came.
And knew that
Oh, they have them.
because if that didn't occur, everybody like Santa Monica.
Oh, wishing tree. Look at that's really cool. Very cool. They're setting up here. They used to have all their bonsai stock here. Of course, this is their bonsai area. Looking for an olive. That's a really cool clump. Looking for a really cool black pine. You got one for, I don't know how much, thousand probably. Bamboos over here. Let's go inside the bonsai area. Since the 60s. Kind of cool. That's probably old collected California juniper, I bet. Check these things out. It's all started it. If you have a bonsai that you bought or a tree stock you bought from this area, leave a comment. It'd be kind of cool. There's still some really cool stock left. There's some root over rock. I remember this liquid amber. They used to have a lot more, not anymore, but they still have some. Oh, check out this California juniper. That's kind of cool. I eyed this one for a while. I need to collect my own of my own. Some olives. I always love their elms. They do so well. Hey Joe, this looks familiar. That's feminine. Oh, check out this root over rock. That's kind of cool. Might have to do one of those for our one of our demos we do. Some black pine and some needle damage there. Check out some of the Onshanpakus. I mean, this is back in the days. Because of depth, they usually tie them down. I want one of the pot's really cool though. I don't have a ginkgo. If you guys have a ginkgo, I'm looking for one. You know, has a really cool one. Jonathan G has a really cool one. It's a Bunjin one. Shout out to you, buddy. Some pots. Have you guys seen some pots? Still have some. Big ones too. I'll check that black pine. 5,000 for that black pine. That's old. You can tell they're old. Flaky bark. Easy way to tell. They just did some needle pruning. You can tell by the airiness of that black pine. I really gotta make one. Seriously, really cool pomegranate. These are pretty much historic trees. You know what? If you guys have a St. Gabriel tree at one point, post a picture. I'd love to see it. I got a couple actually. I'll post a couple when I get home. Those were kind of cool. This is what they have left. You got some. I know that writing. Some cork oaks look like that. Seedlings. Got some Trident maple clumps. I mean, they have reduced their stock a lot. It doesn't help that they don't have a growing ground anymore. But you're interested, they have some still. I mean, the liquid ambers are really are really kind of cool. Oh, check out that one. That's really cool. That's really cool. It's a lilac. I don't know what that is. You want to figure what that is? Leave a comment. Looking at some baby black pines. They have some. Got some quinces. Check these out. Toyo Nishiki. Sounds familiar? Remember, don't forget, bonsais are outdoor trees, not indoors. That's a really old one. See that corkiness? That's really cool. Well, I'm gonna go shopping in other spots now. Looking for some trees. They do have like a weeping cherry, some pomegranates. They still have some quinces, the orange variety. Looks like a bald cypress. They still have some stock, but they're going to be pretty rough. They're no longer a wholesale nursery. They're mostly now retail. So you got to go hunting now. You got some Japanese black pine. So this becomes a regular nursery, but you know what? You can still do a nursery crawl. Converting a nursery plant to a bonsai, it's possible. You just gotta select the right tree and then kind of do it that one. Keep going here. Wow, look at that. That's kind of cool. Advertisements from the 1940s. Kind of cool being around 100 years. I remember coming down here to buy fruit trees with my parents. Really iconic. Unfortunately, I don't have citrus. I was looking for citrus 2 weeks ago. I didn't find any. So I can find the wife now. Before she bought this place up. And camellias, they have camellias too, so. Yeah, and they're a full service nursery. That's kind of cool. Check those things out. I don't even know what those are. Well, check out that fruit. There's this pot selection they have. Of course, the greenhouse. Check out the orchids. Look at that. Those are really, I love the exotic orchids. So pretty. Oh, there's some tillandsia. My wife was looking for one, so I can find her. What did you buy so far?
I haven't bought anything.
No, that's
I'm just picking out things. Did you see the orchids?
Yes, I did. They're really, I like the exotic ones. The exotic ones?
Yeah.
No, those are hard to grow, the exotic ones, yeah.
That one and this one.
Yeah, the exotic ones. Of course you like it, like me.
These are common. Those are all common.
You know, I actually like that one. That one's kind of cool.
Yeah,
I think we
this
had
one's
that one. I think that one died on us.
Well, I can grow it now. I have a spot. They like it.
And this was my first spray when I was a kid. Bought one. Of course, I killed them. Of course, the carnivorous plant. I think this is what I think it is. Wait, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. You see it? If you missed it, I'll do it again. Third sensitivity plant. I forgot what they're called, but they react. Do that again. Usually they live in the subtropics. What are they called again? Sensitivity plants. It's a mimosa. But yeah, but watch. You shake it. Yeah, I'll close up. It's kind of cool. Brings back memories. Of course, what they were known for back in the days is having this really rich, diverse rose collection for sale. Still do. Wife is now gone to San Gabriel Nursery while I finally had to get a wagon. There she is. Finally found the wagon.
Finally found the wagon after 10,000 years.
She's never.
I kept asking everybody, "Where's the wagon?"
That sign is bringing back memories, I'll tell you that. Almost 50 years of my life I've been kind of seeing that sign. Kind of a little home. Oh, look at this. Japanese maples still. You look for Japanese maples, they have it. Purple goat. Yeah, purple ghost. I was looking for one of those. So really quick, they have a wishing tree if you want to do that. Write a little message, and some of the proceeds go to a benefit the community for future greener space. They do have a mochi demonstration at noon today. Of course, cupcakes. There is a golden egg hunt. I have not found one yet, but you actually redeemed something. And of course, there is a rollback prices from the old nursery, so look for those. And yeah, a couple things to do. And of course, they have a little map on the back. It's kind of cool. Awesome job, San Gabriel Nurseries. Awesome job. Yeah, I saw the pineapple. Yes, I did. Check out that way. Make a right.
Make a right.
Yeah, make a right.
We tried last time.
Yes, kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
The pineapple.
Very good, very good.
You get 10% off of everything.
Nice. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. I think my wife had more fun than I did, but she spent money. All right, you guys like it? I'll see you guys next time. If you guys are here, leave a comment below. Bye.